Hello student, my name is Sumit Mehta. So in today's lecture, we will discuss about the fundamental principle of counting. We will discuss some problems based on it. Okay, in the last lecture we have seen what is fundamental principle of counting and how we calculate the total number of ways in finding a solution. Okay, so let me write the question first. So student, here is the question which states that how many two digit, so we have to make a two digit even number, okay, can be formed from the digits 1 2 3 4 5 if the digits cannot be repeated, can be repeated, sorry. Okay, means let's say for a even digit what place this number can take, means here 2 or 4 can come. Okay, so this number can be filled in two ways. Now this number can be filled in five ways total, student, because repetition is allowed. So from 1 2 3 4 5 any number can come here. So there are total number of ways is 5 multiplied by 2. So to write down the solution properly, what you will do is the zeroth place can be filled in two ways, okay, and the tenth place can be filled in five ways. Okay, so in this way the total number of ways are 10. So the our solution is 10 ways. Okay, now let's discuss one more question. So student, we are here given a question in which we have to find a three digit number that can be formed from 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so now the first part we are doing here, the repetition of the digit is allowed. Okay, means in how many ways we can form a three digit number from 1 2 3 4 5 in which the repetition of the digit is allowed. So this place can be filled with 5 digits, this is also with 5 and this is also with 5. So the total number of ways are 5 into 5 into 5, which is 125 ways. Okay, and the second part is in which the repetition of the digit is not allowed. So in this case, if this place is filled with any of the number from 1 to 3 4 5, so that number cannot be used here. Okay, so now this place can be filled with only 4 ways, and similarly if any of the number comes here out of the rest 4, so that number cannot be used in this place, so it can be filled with 3 ways. So the total number of ways are 3 4 5, 3 into 4 into 5, which is 60 ways. Okay students, so these type of questions might come into exam in which repetition of the digit, whether it can be allowed or it cannot be allowed. Okay, so depending on the situation you need to answer the questions. Okay, now let's discuss one more question based on this. So student, here is the next question in which it is given to us that a coin is tossed 3 times and the outcomes are recorded. So how many total possible outcomes are there? Okay, so we need to find out the sample space. So whenever you toss a coin, there are two possibilities, whether it will be a head or whether it will be a tail. Okay, so it is the first coin. So at that time when second coin is tossed, so there are always two possibility again, head tail head tail. So this combination is that when first coin having tail and the other coin having two options. So this is the option when first coin is having head and the other second coin can be head or tail. So similar, this is second coin and now third coin, head tail head tail head tail, and you can, so there are total possible 8 outcomes, so which are H H H H H T H T H H T T. So I am writing from the tree diagram here, H H H H H T H T H H T T. So till now we are covered. So now T H H T H T T T H T T T. So these are total 8 number of possible outcomes on tossing of 3 coins simultaneously. Okay. So I hope students now you are pretty clear about we have almost covered about all the topics on principal ways of counting. We have covered about coins, the number of ways in which a number can be formed without repetition, with repetition. Okay, so similarly you can do all the questions I think now easily. Okay, now if you are still facing any issue or any doubt with respect to any question in principal ways, fundamental principle of counting, then please do comment in the comment section, student. I will be happy to help you guys there. Thank you. Happy learning.